Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
My name is Cinnamon Roll, and I'm building a school bus into my home. Last week I started on paint, but I didn't get very far before I ran out. So, until I could pick up another gallon, I pivoted to work on something else. And that something else was seam sealing. I rely mostly on the overlap between metal to seal the inside of the bus from the elements, but there were a few places where that wouldn't work. Under the driver's side window, for example, is not sealed in any way, so that's where I started. Around these flasher covers was quite a large gap, so I filled them in too. I came back once the sealer was all dry and scraped the excess off with a razor. And of course, because I'd made a mess while seam sealing, I had to clean with TSP again. After that, I redid the masking around the windows because they'd fallen off during the week. And then, finally, I continued priming. I was able to get another gallon, and this time I made sure it was mixed properly. The 1 gallon was barely enough to do all the galvanized, but it went on well enough, though there are a few places where I'll have to sand before I start spraying color. The primer dried pretty quickly, so by the time I was done spraying, the masking was ready to come off. And that's all for this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you feel so inclined. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you next time.